Hey! In front of me is POCO C40, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto correction on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now select additional settings, go into languages and input, manage keyboards and keyboard. Over here, click on text correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to auto correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!